Right then, this is a lift adventure in Plymouth, and now go to the first lift, which is an Otis Gen 2. Now normally I don't like Gen 2s, but this is an original Gen 2 and it goes 1.6 meters a second. And as far as I know, this is the first ever original Gen 2 I've been to that goes 1.6 meters a second. And what makes this lift so interesting is it has a random button. You press the random button to go to a random floor. Whoever decided to put a random button in a lift is a genius. This is just so fun. And what makes this lift even better is it doesn't have one of those stupid Gen 2 voices. It has the Otis 2000 voice, which is my favourite Otis voice, and you can only press the random button when the lift is idle, which means when the lift has absolutely no other calls it has to go to, only then you can press the random button. And you can tell when this is because the lift goes, please select your floor, doors closing, and then you can press the random button to go up to a random floor. And what makes this lift even more random is the indicator doesn't work properly. Let's ride it.
Please select your floor. Doors closing. Third floor. Doors opening. Fifth floor. Doors opening. Fourth floor. Doors opening. Please select your floor. Doors closing. Third floor. Doors opening. Please select your floor. Doors closing.
And now, my favourite, safety brake. Now, I can't say as good as Kai says it.
Oh look, my favourite, safety brake!
Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
And now, let's go to the lift opposite, which doesn't have a random button.
Going down. Doors closing.
Safety brake.
Second floor.
And now, along we go to the next lift, which also has a random button.
Please select your floor. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now, along we go to the next lift, which is an old lift that's been modernised and looks really shit. Let's surf it. And now, along we go to the next lift, which is a Gen 2 in a car park. And now open it up, and that is a really weird fence. Why have they got a fence like that? That is so weird. It looks like a fence is meant to be folded out, but it's got these really weird circuit connectors on it. And if I fold it out, I don't think I'll be able to get it folded back down and connected again, so I'm not going to attempt that. Luckily, there is room to squeeze in between the fence. And now lift was going up to the top floor, so I stopped it. There was room at the top, but I'm very glad I stopped it because, well, one of the important things when you verify lifts is to check both the up and down buttons work. I forgot to do this, and they don't work. On inspection, the up and down buttons only work when the fence is folded out, and the lift only runs at full speed when the fence is folded in. And what's really annoying is this fence doesn't appear to move. I don't know how you fold it out. It refuses to budge when I try and open it. This is such a stupid lift, and this is actually an entrapment. I'm actually trapped here now because I can't reach the rollers to get out. So thanks a lot, Gen 2, for trapping me. I so wanted to be trapped on top of Gen 2, didn't I? So then, how do I get out of this really bad situation? To my luck, this lift does not have shaft door protection, and I can unlatch the floor below, braking safety, put it back onto normal, connect safety and lift door, go off again. That was a really stupid lift. Now to the next lift, which I've been told was an old O&K which actually had a glass shaft. The lift has now been replaced and looks really stupid. And just a horrible, boring modernisation. And there was a lift engineer on top of this lift doing some work to it. Let's prank the lift engineer. So then on the ground floor there's a key switch which disables the lift. Let's turn this key switch. So when the lift engineer tries to put it back into service, he can't. I wonder how long it will take him to work out what the fault is, because he won't be expecting anyone to turn the key switch. And now let me go to the next lift, which is just another bog standard Gen 2. Safety brake. And now go to the next Gen 2.